Hey guys, this is Esther with Influx Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a footer menu. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you log in is go to Change Theme and then click on Widgets. Now as you can see on the left side, there's a whole bunch of different available widgets here. You can add audio, a calendar, categories, images, pages, recent posts, search bars, videos. So the first thing we're going to do is go to footer area number 1 and then drag the text box here. Now we're going to title this Contact Us, or Contact. And then here, let's say you have like your home page, you can put here. So you're just going to highlight it and then go to the far right. It says insert/edit link. So you can just put a link here. And again, you're just going to click the blue arrow. So we're just going to click save. Now for footer number 2, let's add an image. So right here is our media so far. I'm just going to click on this one. I'm just going to add it. And you can also make it link, this image link back to a certain page. And we're going to save that. And then on footer 3, we're just going to put a search bar there. And we're going to title it search bar. And we're just going to click save. So once it's saved, we're going to go and check it out. So we're going to go to the site. And this is just a testing site, so it looks a little crazy. So here we have it. It says contact, the home, email us, and opt-in. Here's a picture that I added. Here's the search bar. It doesn't look too nice. You guys can edit it as you please. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.